Instagram lets you add up to 20 photos or videos in a single post, and it only takes a few taps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Look at the top left of the screen and tap the plus icon. Change the option to Post in the bottom menu. This will open the photo gallery on your phone. To add multiple pictures, tap the Select option in the middle. Once you tap it, Instagram enables multi-select mode. Now you can choose multiple photos or videos from your gallery. You can select up to 20 photos or videos in a single post. Tap the images one by one in the exact order you want them to appear in your post. After selecting your pictures, tap Next from the top. Here you can customize your post. You can add music from the library, add and modify text, apply filters, adjust brightness, and many more depending on the post style you choose. Take your time editing everything the way you like. Once you're done, tap Next at the bottom. Write a caption, tag your friends, and add your location if you want. Once everything looks good, tap Share. Instagram will now upload all your selected photos into one swipeable post. And that's it. You've successfully posted multiple pictures on Instagram in a single post.